Hello, beautiful. How are you today? Thank you so much for being here, for hitting that thumbs up button, for subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hitting that notification bell. That will let you know the next time I upload a video. And thank you so much for all the beautiful comments that you leave me in the comments section below. It makes my heart so happy, and I love interacting with people. I want to send out a huge shout out to every single one of my Canadian brothers and sisters. It is Thanksgiving this weekend. We celebrate the bounty of the harvest, and we give great gratitude to the universe, to God, to whomever you should believe in and worship. And it's a time for family to get together and just enjoy the turkey and the bounty of the season. So if you are celebrating this weekend, I hope that you have an amazing time with your family, with friends, doing whatever it is that you do. So if you are interested in finding out how I got this look, I'm going to be just basically specifically focusing on my eyes. Stay tuned, and I will see you in just a second. All right, ladies, so I am going to be working with the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I'm going to be using two palettes today just because I absolutely love the colors in both of them. The first one is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. There's some beautiful golds in there and oranges, and oh my gosh, they're just stunning. And then the other one is the Ring the Alarm, and those are the reds and golds, and yeah, well, you can see the colors. So like I said in my intro, it is Canadian Thanksgiving, and I wanted to put this look together. It is going to look crazy, as always, to begin with, and then all of a sudden it will start to come together. So I'm looking forward to the end result. All right. I was kind of playing with colors yesterday and trying to figure out what I wanted to do, but I know I definitely want to have the red in there, and then a little bit of gold and deeper, I don't know. Let's just go with this. So, I am going to start off with a, what is this? See, this is where I need my glasses. Good thing they're right here nearby. MAC 217, there's the brush. And I am going to start out with Secure. This color right down here, it is a beautiful orange. And just take that on the tip of my brush and start to apply it along the upper crease area, kind of just gently swirling that around. All right, the next color I'm going to take is this one right on the edge here. It is called Bomb Ass. Mother, close your ears. You didn't need to hear that, but you know, this is Jaclyn's palette, right? So I am again gonna take another MAC 217 and use that on the tip of my brush and start to just along the actual crease itself, bring that color all the way over. I love how these colors work together. And just make sure that you blend that out so that there's no harsh lines ever. And I love how these kind of just blend into each other. It's beautiful. All right, the next color I'm going to use is this color right here. It is Girl Trip, and I am actually going to use my finger for this, so my ring finger. And just because it is the least strongest of all your fingers, and it's least likely to actually hurt your eye when you're applying this. So I'm just going to dab this on the inner corner of my eye, pulling my eye tight over here. I love the pigmentation. I love the color quality on here. Do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, color payoff is just absolutely gorgeous. Probably thinking to yourself, you know what, Dee, you look like a clown right now. And like I said, stick with me, ladies. And I promise you, this is going to end up, I hope, looking beautiful. If not, this video will not see the light of day. So I'm thinking about either prowl or framed. Now I like framed probably just a little bit better, but prowl will keep it warmer. So let's go with prowl. I think that is my final decision. It's this color right down here. It is a beautiful deep chocolatey brown. I'm just gonna take my Sigma E39 brush and dip the tip onto there and take that at the outer corner of my eye and blend it right up into that red, just to deepen up that corner. Okay, what I think I want to do is deepen up in between that really vibrant gold and that really dark brown in the middle of my eye. So I'm going to actually choose the color Boom from the Ring the Alarm palette, and that is this color right here. And I'm actually going to do the same thing again and use the tip of my finger and go in between those two colors. Just to make it a little bit more cohesive and not so glaring. This is actually a really buttery, to use Jacqueline's word, a really buttery color. It feels beautiful on my fingertip. All right, so that just makes it look that much better, I think, anyways. And I'll go over and just make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Okay, that is definitely a lot of fall, autumn, Thanksgiving colors. I'm excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyeliner, my mascara, and my lashes, and I will be right back. All right, ladies, I am back to finish my under eye and then do a little bit of highlighting on my brow bone. And for the very first step of my under eye, I'm going to use the Sigma E65 small angle. This is a very old brush. I've had it forever, but I love it. I'm gonna go back into prowl, this deep brown down here. I'm just gonna use the little edge of the brush and go right up into underneath my eye and make a really tight line up against the bottom lash. Then I'm going to finish with Mugshot underneath just to blow that out, and I'm going in with my Buff and Blend E39. Just take that on the very tip and run it all along the lower lash line and blend out that deep brown color. All right, I am loving how this is turning out, ladies. What do you think? All right, the other thing that is in here is a beautiful white color, and it is just VIP. So I'm going to take that on a little, and this one is a Sigma E30, a little pencil brush, just on the very tip, and make sure that I put that on the very inner corner just to do a highlight in there on both eyes. And apparently the older that we get, ladies, the more we want to do this so that it really brings out our eyes and people don't look at our wrinkles. All right, a couple of last little things to do before I complete this look. And basically we are at the highlighting stage. So I am going to go into my Ride or Die Becca Champagne Pop. I think everybody knows about this. I absolutely love it. And just take that, put that over top of my blush, right on the top of my cheeks. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on the Cupid's bow, and on the chin, a little bit up above my eyes. This could be, I think this is M.A.C and it's another pencil brush, so I'm just gonna take some of that Champagne Pop and run it right underneath my eyebrows, on my brow bone. That just brightens that area up and kind of makes this look absolutely complete. So there is my completed look. I hope you enjoyed, ladies. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, I am enough. I look forward to seeing you in my next upload.